What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're getting ready to fix the tune on the RTR Spec 2. It's 7 o'clock in the morning and I have a meeting in like 15 minutes. What's in my beard? But we're trying to get the RTR loaded up onto the trailer so we can get it into the dealership to get the computer reset so we can actually get this tune in place. It's 7 o'clock in the morning on a Friday and it appears as though no one in my neighborhood is up. I'm about to screw that up. So we're leaving the Ford dealership right now. The car is on the back. We got it reflashed. Cost me about $142, but we're not really gonna find out how well it works until we get back home. So hopefully this works better than the last time. I brought it to Tomball Ford in Tomball, Texas. They've done all my warranty work on my vehicles and I've never had a problem with them with any of their service work that they've done. So hopefully this worked out and everything's gonna be good now. Have the car back home. Gonna hop inside, hook up the SCT, and see if she works. When I was at the dealership, they put a battery charger on it because it was taking a while for them to get everything reset. So my battery's at 11.7. It says it's supposed to be at 12 volts or higher, so that may be an issue, and I may have to pop this off the trailer and put it connected to the truck just to boost the battery up a little bit, but we'll see. So, see, it's a 1306 still, but it may be because the battery's too low. Volts are now up to 12.6. I let it run for a little while. We're trying to program. It's saying, please wait. All we can do now is see if it'll connect. It's been a few minutes. This thing better hurry up because we're already back down to 12.1, just sitting here with accessories on. I got my little Duracell battery charger out there, hoping that keeps this up. If not, I'll flip the truck around and put the jumper cables on it just to make sure this battery stays up to where it needs to be. I want to try and eliminate all factors possible. Tomball Ford says they reflashed it back to stock. I want to make sure that the voltage is above 12 because when I got the last error reading saying it could not connect, it was at 11.7. So we just need to make sure that we're following all of the checks and balances put in place by SCT before we continue to bitch. Same general error of 13006 DFL Comlink command failure. Okay, so now I'm out like $200 and this shit still doesn't work right. We're gonna go get some vehicle info, see if we can update anything, see if anything's changed. And when trying to get vehicle info, we get general error 21300. So there's nothing that we can do to make this thing work whatsoever at this point. Anything that we select, it gives us an error. Connected the device to the computer, it now says it's supported and there are updates to the device that I need to do, and now it's updating. So hopefully once this gets done, everything will work. Fingers crossed. Up to date, congratulations, your device has the newest files available to your vehicle. So let's hit OK. This is for programming vehicle, please wait. Firmware updating, once complete, your device will restart. Please wait. This is a lot of stuff that I hadn't seen before, so that's already a step in the right direction. Firmware update complete. So let's go ahead and hit OK. Programming vehicle, please wait. Press continue to sync available files to the cloud. We're going to skip that. Street use notice, this device is not legal for sale or use in California on any pollution controlled motor vehicles. Press continue to start the program. Turn vehicle on, it is on. Hit continue, please wait. This is the farthest that we have made it thus far. Hopefully this will work. Here we go. Preloaded tunes, 5.0 Mustang. Let's go. Customization, additional tune options, ready to program your vehicle. You may change default options or skip to continue program. Wait, no. Approve. We're gonna, wait. Continue program process. 10, 20, 30. This is for anybody who's watching the show and may be deaf, just so you know. 40, 100. Applying change, applying options. Options you select are being added to your tune. Please wait. There's a lot of please waiting, and oh God, I really hate please waiting. Writing tune, do not turn ignition off or disconnect device. 97, 98, 99, 100. Resetting processor, please wait. Look at all the progress we have from the last video. See? Patience and more money pays off in the end, I guess. Turn key off. Position, please wait. Turn the key's ignition to the on position, please wait. There's a lot of on and off. Programming complete. Congratulations, your vehicle has been programmed. You may turn the key off and enjoy now. Yes! I feel like Thanos after he got all the Infinity Stones. What I'm gonna do now is turn this off and disconnect it. And we will then start up the vehicle and see if we got a difference. I would assume that we would. I would hope that we would, but who knows? Ready to start the car and see if it works?
I don't know why I'm not holding. Pass.
There you go. Passing the torch. Clutch in. It does sound a lot better.
It's not like
we don't have the right gas in it though. It needs 93. Gas in it now though, so that means we gotta make
HEB trip.
Yeah, we gotta make a trip to the gas station, get that 9 to 3.
Let's go.
Oh, you mean right now?
Yes.
This is the Mustang's first time on the street in God knows how long. This is the part that's just like traveled under its own. Is the part that's just traveled under its own power in about a year and a half. That's for sure.
Be like, stick it in neutral, it'll just be like.
It's got some 93 in it, so it should be doing good now, hopefully. Took the car down the street, and I got a few error codes here. Got 0022, which is camshaft positioning. This one here, random muscle cylinder misfires. This one here is sensor A, circuit bank 1, and then this one here is, I think that one also applies to a misfire, which I've been getting those before, and that's what I got right before the whole car went to crap. We have changed out the cam positioning sensors, and that didn't work. I've been looking on a lot of forums lately. Yes, forums still exist. A lot of people believe that everything you need to learn is on Facebook, but forums are out there for you people. A lot of people get these codes, and what it ends up being is the alternator. Now, when I was in Illinois and the car first took a crap and we had to tow it back, you may remember I went to a shop to get it tested. Now, what a lot of people say is it's an intermittent issue with the alternator, so it's a diode going bad, so it doesn't always flare up. It's when you're in the higher RPMs. My assumption, not being a mechanic, is that once really the belt gets spinning, that's when you start to have the problems. Speaking with Drew, he thinks that it might be something inside the alternator, like one of the brushes or whatnot. So in the next video, I think what we're going to be doing is trying to resolve that problem. We're going to be taking the alternator out and taking it apart to see if it's something that's an easy fix for us to do. That is it for this go around. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit the little bell so you can get those notifications so you know every time that we post. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up anyway. You probably won't be back. It'll help me and you'll feel like a good person. Until next time, peace.